Hey, what up? This is your boy, the Solo Traveler ORD. Thanks again for checking out another one of my videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I wanted to make an update video that was released today, a new document from Dominican Republic. It appears that they're trying to allow vacationers to continue going to their country. And what they're doing is that they're allowing, I guess they're providing COVID tests to their hotels or to their tourist areas to allow vacationers to leave the country and then go back to countries such as the United States, Canada, places that are requiring COVID tests for re-entry back into their home country. I think this is actually a great move for DR to do this, because this will continue to keep their tourism sector still functioning, because you know that DR is a tourist location. You know, that's where they make most of their money. So this is their way of keep having people come down there on vacation and things of that nature. And because of this move, this kind of got me thinking I might go down there in March. I usually don't stay at a hotel whenever I go down there. I do an Airbnb, but I may just go to Punta Cana or something like that and just, you know, chill at a resort. I've never done the resort there, so this will probably be my first time just experiencing what it is to be at a resort, because they're allowing us to take COVID tests within the hotel. So I think that this is actually a great move by them. But without any further ado, here's an article regarding what was released today as of this morning. So this is coming from the Dominican today. And as you can see that this article is dated today, January 19th. And the header, it says, tourism and health promise free test for tourists. It says here, Santo Domingo in DR, the tourism cabinet announced that the Ministry of Health will donate 400,000 COVID-19 antigen tests to all hotels to be applied to tourists in those areas required a PCR to return to their country of origin. Today gives us the guarantee that the Dominican government, via the tourism cabinet, will have the capacity to respond to the new requirements that the United States, Canada, and other countries have imposed. The Dominican government will grant the antigen test to meet the demands of tourists that come to the country, said the Minister of Tourism, David Collado. He reiterated that on behalf of the Dominican government, via the tourism cabinet, they are giving guarantees to U.S. tourists who come to the Dominican Republic that they will be provided an antigen testing within the next 60 days at no cost, coordinated with existing medical insurance. The official gave the information after leading a meeting of the tourism cabinet, in which he explained that the test would be applied free of charge to tourists, a measure that is part of the COVID-19 Traveler Assistance Plan granted by the state. This puts the Dominican Republic in the first place among countries of the region to continue fighting for the responsible recovery of tourism in the Dominican Republic, added Collado. He expressed that the country is in first place in the region to prepare and face the new situation it faces. On Tuesday, the 26th, all air passengers 2 years or older must provide a negative result of the COVID-19 test to enter the United States, as announced by the Center of Disease, the CDC, last week. Collado said airports are preparing mobile antigen testing facilities for emergency passengers who cannot be tested before arrival where applicable. Says he explained that the Association of Hotels and Tourism will coordinate with the hotels and the Ministry of Health, the delivery, training, and technology platform that would support the process. The hotels will cover the cost of applying these tests with the necessary alliance with local clinics, added Collado. So with that last statement, it kind of got me thinking that perhaps they might add this COVID test as a fee to your stay at the hotel. So that's something to think about. They might add a fee to your reservation, since it says that the hotels will cover the cost of applying these tests. You never know. Maybe they might try to charge an extra fee. You know how the DR is. They'll try to get you, nickel and dime you if they can. And also, next paragraph, it says, Collado said, in addition to those passengers who require PCR tests, all major destinations in the countries have the capacity in clinics and laboratories to perform the test 72 hours before departure. He explained that Punta Cana, Puerto Plata, and Santo Domingo could meet current and future demands in clinics and laboratories. At the country level, this demand is estimated to be between 6,000 and 11,000 tests per day. Additionally, in the next 3 months, this capacity will be increased by 40%. As you can see, it looks like Dominican Republic, they're trying to do whatever they can to keep tourism coming to their country. So as you can see, they're giving out 400,000 tests, antigen tests, to these hotels to ensure that the guests are able to get treated, well, able to get tested prior to leaving the country. So I think that's a great move that the DR is actually doing to allow tourism to keep coming. And I know other countries are not doing this, but I give it to them for doing this, making this happen. So I think that this is actually a great move. But hey, this is your boy, the Solo Traveler ORD. Thanks again for checking out my videos. Please like and subscribe and leave comments. Let me know what you think about this move by the DR. You think that this is a great move? Will this get you to go down there to go visit them? Or you're just gonna stay put in the United States? Or if you're watching this from Canada, what's your take on this? Will you continue going down there to the DR, or are you still gonna take a break for the year? Thanks again, and I'm out.